welcome back. And notice that stream is subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't today. Let's do some Android study. Found a course in the Android official site called Lab Base Android Basics in Kotlin. Let's see what we have here. Apparently there's like a associate Android developer certification. Let's see if we can get that on stream. Let's go.
Welcome to Android Basics in Kotlin. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of how to build Android apps.
We are from the Android team at Google, and we'll be your instructors for this course. I'm Dan.
I'm Kat, and we'll be here guiding you throughout your journey.
And I'm Megan. We'll do our best to explain things clearly with step-by-step instructions.
It's hard to imagine life without our phones.
And in this course, you're going to have a chance to learn how to build an app that runs on one of these. It honestly feels like a superpower to know how to build an app, to take something that's an idea in your head and put it on your phone.
And it's not just your phone.
There are over 2.5 billion Android devices in the world.
That's phones, tablets, TVs, watches, and even cars.
Imagine how cool
Cars use Android?
that your friends can use.
The apps that you use on your phone are often quite complex. They have whole companies and teams of engineers working on them. And all those engineers had to start at the beginning.
So in this course, we're going to focus on building a series of basic Android apps that can run on a phone.
The course is split up into units. Each unit is made up of several pathways. Pathways are composed of videos, code labs, and quizzes. And, drumroll please, you will earn badges along the way.
You'll also be building up your developer profile, which you can use to show the skills you've gained throughout this course.
By learning the fundamentals of programming and the core concepts in Android, you will have a solid foundation to build off of.
You'll learn how to use Android Studio, the tool we use to write our code.
And you'll be learning Kotlin, the recommended programming language for developing Android apps. At its core, a programming language is used to tell a computer what you want it to do. It's similar to learning a foreign language, but instead of speaking to people from another country, we're communicating with the computer.
We'll get into more details of learning Kotlin later, but first let's talk about what you need to start this course.
To get started, you need a computer and an internet connection so you can download Android Studio. You don't need any prior programming experience, but we do require that you have basic computer and math skills. Knowing basic math is useful when you're programming because of the problem-solving skills involved.
It's also helpful to have an Android device, phone or tablet, to test your app on. If you don't have one, that's okay. We'll show you how to simulate an Android device on your computer with something called an emulator. It's also great to be familiar with using Android apps. If you haven't used Android before, you'll learn this along the way.
Above all, the most important requirement is your motivation and willingness to learn. It's going to be a challenging but rewarding process if you stick with it.
You may be asking, can I get a job as an Android developer after this course?
Oh, no.
Well, the answer is not quite. We're going to prepare you with the basics, and there are more advanced classes you can take and more practice you should do on your own to pursue the career path of a developer.
Now, you might be asking, how long will the course take? That really depends on how much you already know and how much time you can invest in learning the material. Anywhere from a few weeks to a few months is realistic.
No matter where you come from, this journey will
Funny.
be challenging.
Let's do it in a few hours.
And we hope all this is fun.
By the end, you will have built a collection of apps that will show you a glimpse of what's possible with Android.
We are super excited.
Super excited!
We're super excited that you've decided to join us, and we welcome you to this course.
Welcome! Okay. Cute.
Welcome to Unit 1, the beginning of your amazing journey.
In this unit, you will learn important concepts in Kotlin and Android development to get you set up for success.
This unit is split up into 4 parts.
It's opening up.
In the first pathway, we will dive right into learning some basics in a programming language called Kotlin.
Kotlin is a modern programming language. It's efficient to write and has features that help prevent mistakes in your code.
It's rapidly becoming one of the most loved programming languages in the world, and we at Google recommend it for building Android apps.
In the second pathway, we'll help you set up your computer. We will teach you how to use the same tool that professional Android developers use to build their apps. It's called Android Studio, and you'll be installing that on your computer. Once it's set up, we'll walk you through how to create and run your first Android app. This is always a magical milestone.
In the third pathway, we'll make a birthday card app. You'll get to customize the app for someone special in your life and surprise them with it.
In the fourth
That's actually
pathway,
pretty cute.
we'll learn how to make an app that has an on-screen button that can be clicked. You'll write Kotlin code for how the app will behave when the user taps the button.
This will unlock infinite possibilities for the types of apps you can create.
Don't worry, we know it's a lot, but we'll be guiding you through the pathways, and we're confident
Too slow.
that you can do this.
It's normal to feel overwhelmed with all this new information, so take it bit by bit. It takes time to learn and digest the material.
With each app you create, you will gain more confidence in the skills you are building.
Before we begin, let's double check that you have everything you'll need. You'll need a computer with internet access that you can install Android Studio on. Make sure that your computer meets the requirements linked below.
To see your app in action, it's helpful to have an Android device and a USB cable to connect it to your computer, but it's definitely not. Let's get started!
Directive Editor, run from browser. See the instructions. Back next. Online editor. Oh well. Can run it. Button just function, right? Main is the name. Standard. Fixed parameters. And then the code body. Line, so add a new line character at the end, I think. Smallest Kotlin program. Just print line more. Let me mess up indentation purposely, let's see if it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's not able to find this variable. This is crazy. It's kind of concatenate on the same line. Unless I do this. Like, yep. I don't have to read this. That's pretty cool. It's a program series of instructions. Found to create a program that prints a line of text. Oh, commas not needed. Main function, curly braces, a piece of text surrounded by quotation mark. Yep. Expect this colon code to do. Hello world, new lines, a sunny and warm day. Doesn't use any of the arcs. 2 lines of text. This main function is to print 6-layer cake for someone's 4th birthday. Change the 5 to 6. Check this option correctly calls the function below and passes its valid input argument. One has to be a string, number 2 has to be a string. String. Number 3 has to be an integer, so it's 1. Are you fucking kidding me? Really? Oh, do I need a sign? That's annoying. Do you want me here? Function. Print 2 lines of text. Change the age to 4, layer to 6. String integer rather than string. Undefined variable. X. Is it finished with the first one? God damn it, I'm doing it again. Then it locked me out. Joking me. Come on! Again. Jingle Bell! Next pathway.
In this course, we'll be using Android Studio on our computer to help us create our Android apps. Android Studio is what's known as an IDE, or Integrated Development Environment.
If this is your first time working with an IDE, you can think of it as being like a workshop with a lot of tools. These tools help you write your code and lay out how your app will look on the screen. It shows you a real-time preview of what your design will look like as you create each screen.
And similar to how Google Docs checks your spelling, Android Studio checks for errors in your code as you type. It also gives you suggestions to help you code faster.
And of course, as you create your app, you'll want to see it in action. Android Studio builds and runs your app, either on an actual Android device or on something called an emulator, a tool that allows your computer to simulate an Android device.
Android Studio is an IDE because it integrates multiple developer tools together, doing a lot of the heavy lifting for us. Without it, the development process would be much longer and it would be easier to make all sorts of mistakes.
As you create apps in this course, you'll learn how to use Android Studio and get plenty of practice with it. If you're curious, take a look at the linked Android Studio documentation.
Let's go write apps!
Kinda did. I thought I'm a Mac, but sure. Collab. Let's do a basic app template. Pretty easy because I've done Flutter. Oh. Do I have that option? New Android Studio project, guest project. Tablet tab. Going on tablet. What's this? Empty activity tablet. Happy birthday. Uniquely identifier. Are you sure this defaults the name of connotation problem? Lowercase. Cut. Default. Language. Kotlin. Minimum SDK. Oh. 19 one. Is there a 19 one? Yeah, there's a 19 one. Oh, interesting, interesting. Tells you how sandwich can be run. Sure that is unchecked. Finish. Is it gonna open something? Yeah, close this. Stuff is Flutter sound. Okay, opening up stuff. One, two, three projects, editing the code, and then I don't have the useful tip stuff, it's still loading. Building, building, building. Shit, someone just posted on Reddit. Got the lowest score in CS70. Yikes. Yikes. Why is it taking that long? I don't know why it's taking so long though. The base project is supposed to be this slow. Downloading a lot of the Kotlin packages. Think so. to be able to see who's in the chat. Not anymore. How to do it. Shit, now take me the move. Brother. Emulator is gonna take a while too. Oh boy. Just gonna next and I start reading. Too much. Get a bit less. Where's the emulator? Oh boy, it's taking a long time. Very long. Looks good. I see the left side coming up. Seems to be okay. It's great though. Brother. Build system used to automate building testing to compiler? Hey, looks like the first time is gonna take a while. Patience, patience. We're gonna edit that joke. How do you call a frog that parked his car illegally? Or what happened to a frog that parked his car illegally? It gets towed. Get it? Towed. Frog. Bye. This. sometimes they bought fidget spinners. It's one of those times they wish you have one. Got another dad joke. They wanted me not to lean over the edge of the tower in Paris. I fell. Got a Christmas dad joke. There are 4 stages of life and they all involve Santa. Stage 1, you believe in Santa. Stage 2, you don't believe in Santa. Stage 3, you are Santa. Stage 4, you look like Santa. Alright, we done here. God damn it, it's taking so long. Duh. It's annoying. Riddle sync finished. Can do the next steps, right? I'll do it. Okay. Let's go. AVD. Tools, AVD manager. What you got here? What you got? Add virtual device. I'll select the one that they want. Phone and then Pixel 3 XL. Phone Pixel 3 XL. Next door. Should have test differently. Choose Q as the version and then do the Q. And let me download, I guess. Google APIs Intel A6 Atom system image. And even though I have the R1, I'm not gonna do it. Trying to stick to the tutorial in case we need to refer back. Dude. then finish. Then run it from the top. Very good. Very good. Next though. Keep it that way. Close it. Run on the 2 bar. Doing something. Settings General tab, use extended DB location. Settings. Over to this. Setting. Settings. It's already checked. Okay, turning up. Last time I think we hit the same error message. So wait for a while. The thing is that I have an Android phone, so radio indication finished. Come on. Kidding me. first keep making it difficult. Why is the emulator taking so long to start up? I wanna just jump to the next. Window on the left and then select. So I kinda like extracted it. Let's try. This one. Oh, here. Project window, select project source files. Shut down menu. Now? Not here. Oh, here? Project source files. Okay. Switch back to Android. Okay, because that's for the file system. To say, still running. Okay, you see happy birthday. Hello world. I did this before. It's kinda easy. Perfect timing too. Oh. Stop here. to here, so it's time we come back. Oh, that'd be the recording for the day. See you tomorrow. Take care.